Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leah, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I just have a project share. I wanted to show you what I've been making, and this is Anna Griffin Finishing School Paper Shoe Craft Box, and it is so nice and huge, and it has dies and so much stuff. I'm sure you saw all over the internet. It is for sale right now on annagriffin.com and HSN. But I think I made like 7 shoes. I followed one of her directions and then just pulled out other paper and started using all Anna's supplies except for trims and a couple of buckles, but it's all her paper. So let me show you. This is the first one I made, and everything on this is from the kit. And I made it a card where you open it up, and I also put a heel on it and backed it. This is her paper also. This was not in the kit, but isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Look at that shoe. Look at the side. And it's a card where you open it up. So this one she has in the kit time to click your heels. It has birthday sentiments and stuff like that. This is the only one that I actually put a sentiment on it because I wanted to wait. It's got extra here. I wanted to wait, and I don't ever finish them out because I don't know who I'm going to gift it to. But when I make them, I make so many at a time. So there's one. Here's another one. I didn't do a heel. It's like a slipper, and it is a card, and I ended up not keeping it together. Like right here, I didn't like how it opens, and it doesn't want to open as much, so I ended up not having the die touch up here, and I like it. It opens better. And then I embellished the inside somewhat, but I didn't put a sentiment or anything because I'm waiting. But look at that. Isn't that cute? Here's the bow on the back that comes with it. I need to clean that glue up right there. This is a metal buckle, and this is trim. So isn't that cute? Okay, so I've had this paper for 7 years and never used it. It's Anna Griffin felt paper, and this looks and feels like a real shoe. I put a heel on it. I put the bow. This is her metallic paper, and this is a metal buckle, and this is my trims, and the trims matched her velvet, like Elvis Presley painting paper. And here is one more like it, but the trim is different. Can you see? So I really had fun paper and trim. So there's that. And then I made a one that you can put on the wall. And look at the trim and the 2 different trims right here. Lace, and then the flower and the feather and another flower. And yeah, so then 2 more. Here's another one, like a ballet slipper that you can hang on the wall on a hook. And look at those beautiful trims. It's hard to show how pretty it is. It just doesn't seem to be showing it as much. Isn't that nice? I stuffed the insides with tissue paper so that it would be raised. I don't know if you can see it. And then the last one is a card, and I haven't put the sentiment on it yet, but there is lace. There's lace, so all of them have some kind of lace, but the first one. So look at that lace on that one, and see how it opens. I need to glue that one down a little bit more, and then see, it's just like a little slipper. So which one is your favorite? I don't have a favorite. I love them all. They're all different. And another reason why I like this card opening, where I didn't touch it right here, is this one is on an edge right here, and it's not totally squared up, and this one gets squared up better. So I don't know, you might want to try one way and one the other if you have this die set. So yeah, I just had so much fun making these, and I can't wait to gift them out because I know people will like them. All my links are down below. I hope you like this project, and thank you for following me. Have a blessed day.